Yo, the White Ranger's gotta Instacop these, like automatically. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and it's another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Foamposite 1 Summit White. Now this is a women's only colorway, which is kind of a bummer because it's actually a really nice looking colorway with the overlay and like the iridescent detailing. But if you've seen my channel before, you know that I wear a size 10.5, which is a size 12 in women's. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the black flip top Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is Summit White. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly white Foamposite upper with the iridescent overlay and graphic mesh detailing. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the Foamposite upper for the toe box, and on the toe cap, you've got this iridescent detailing. It's a combination of like gold, white, grayish. It's all those colors combined, and you also have the Nike swoosh. Moving towards the tongue, you've got the mesh tongue with the gray detailing, and you have a graphic detailing for the tongue tag with the Foamposite logo and a black pull tab. The insole is white with the penny logo. Taking a look at the lateral, you've got the white Foamposite upper with more of the iridescent detailing. But interestingly enough, the top eye stay is a gold button eye stay, which is a nice little touch. Moving towards the heel, you've got the white Foamposite upper with the set logo on this greenish grayish graphic, and you also have the black bag tab. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you got the white Foamposite upper with the iridescent overlay and the gold eye stay at the top. The shoe features the carbon fiber shank plate effectively as its own midsole, and you've got a milky outsole with the black traction and the carbon fiber shank plate. I like this colorway a lot. Like I said in the beginning, it's a clean colorway. I just wish that Foamposites weren't so expensive because they're a heavy shoe, they're outdated technology, and for $200, that's just way too much. However, I do like this colorway a lot, and I wish that they do a black colorway with the same iridescent detailing. That'd be really dope. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Air Foamposite 1 Summit White hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on August 31st for a retail price of $230. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.